of what it could look like. It's a school in Colorado. We've looked at a few models that are in North Carolina and a few others across the nation as well. But they did a really great job on their video, and so I thought, you know, sometimes if you see it, it makes it a little bit more real and a little bit more concrete. So that was one example. I think that Jenna Bacalar, our Executive Director for Community Education and Recreation. Good evening. I noticed that we still have a few empty chairs, and there are people standing anxiously in the doorway. So if you have an empty chair next to you, please raise your hand and let's try to fill in a little bit. We also have some people sitting on the floor, which is fine. Here we go.
Well, hope Ron will be able to get into the school. Okay, yeah.
Okay, I think that's probably, oh, there are four, I see 4 chairs right here. And there's one over here, one over here, one over there. Yeah. People in the doorway, if you'd like to come in, do you have a few spots? If people would like to sit on the stage, that's okay too. We are almost done with the PowerPoint. All right, just a second. So, as Marilyn said, I'm the Executive Director of Rec and Ed, and we're really excited to be part of this K-8 STEAM expansion. We're looking at lots of things for the school, but 2 things you need to know right away are that the child care that exists here will continue on and expand as needed and will include 6th graders. The other thing is we will offer our full complement of after-school enrichment and recreational type activities here at Northside as well. And I'm interested in looking at what mix that we offer here so we can meet the needs. It could be that after the school day, kids want to run around and play soccer and not do more STEAM. So we'll work with parents around that as well. The after-school environment and the summer camp environment provide a really unique space for kids to explore STEAM concepts. They can do the project-based learning, the math and science concepts, but without the fear of failure. They can try, fail, try, succeed, and it's okay. And as I hope you all know, Rec and Ed emphasizes fun. We are all about fun. So children can explore something new or different through our programming. We're trying to be strategic about how we incorporate STEAM into the Rec and Ed portfolio of things that we offer to this community. So I just want to touch on a couple of things. Our First Steps program is our early childhood program. It serves children from 0 to 5. So we have toddler groups, preschool groups, and we actually have incorporated some STEAM into, even for these little teeny guys, with Duplo blocks, with Lego building like ocean adventures. So if you're not familiar with First Steps, but you have a child in that age range, a baby, preschooler, please see, well, you can see me, I have some brochures about it, but I also have a staff person in the back, Vicki Malcolm. But, oh, okay, all right, poor Vicki, okay, she's in the very back and I can only see her hand. But she is standing right next to a Rec and Ed table that has all kinds of information about our programs. I'm wondering how many people in the audience have received this in their home mailbox. Yay! All right, that is exciting. Well, I hope you noticed that on the cover, this is our summer camp catalog, and on the cover of it, it says full STEAM ahead. And that's because we are also infusing STEAM concepts and projects and programming into our summer camps. So, one that I just wanted to highlight, and we do a lot of partnering too, is a camp that we offer with the Hands-On Museum. And it's new this year. It's called River Roving, R-O-V camp. And basically, kids will work in a very STEAM-like situation, working in small teams. They will build rovers that work underwater, and they will take them to the Huron River, and they will use those rovers to test the water and consider various animal habitats. If you think your child is interested in doing that, and your child is between grades 4 and 6, check that out. But we also have many, many other science and math camps as well. So we're excited to be a part of this journey that our school district is taking. And if you are a non-paper person, you can also visit our summer camp, virtual summer camp fair. See if this works. Tech support. We can. Okay. So, we're also trying to modernize how people interact with us. And this is one way that we're doing that through our virtual summer camps fair, where you can scroll and click and register for whatever summer camp you might like, right from the comfort of your own couch. So I did bring lots of these summer camp catalogs with me tonight. They're up in a box, intermixed. Oh, there they are, right over there. But I'm also happy to talk about it, or you can visit our virtual summer camp website. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. McElroy. Ms. Jane Landefeld is coming, and Ms. Liz Margolis to talk to you about application procedures. But I just wanted to interject real quickly. We talked about the ideas of creativity and innovation. This program will be among the most innovative in the state. It'll be among the first of K-8 STEAMs in the state. While it's not uncommon to have higher level STEAMs, grades 9 through 12, it is fairly innovative to have them K through 8. So we are very excited in Ann Arbor Public Schools. We're very grateful for the vote and the support of our Board of Education and the commitment to support this program and to deliver top quality programs under the Ann Arbor Public Schools name. So that is our commitment. We will be out here on repeated occasions between now and the middle of June to make sure that all of your questions are answered and that you have the information that you need in order to make good decisions. I did want to interject right here because I can see the size of the crowd, and I'm concerned about us meeting your needs. And I bet each of you has a dozen questions, and I'm realizing how impossible it will be to get to all of those. So please understand that you can email any of us on this page right through the Ann Arbor Public Schools website. We will answer every email. There's also a frequently asked questions document that will get at many of the most frequently asked questions. Another thing I'd like you to do is get your questions up on the paper as we begin to mill around after this part. Step number 1 is to sort out, as a parent, if it's the right match for your student. And so I know that's the main thing, is to figure out what the program is and to sort out if it's the right match. Step number 2 is to think about the application process. So Jane and Liz will walk you through that process right now. Step number 3 is to get all of your other questions answered. And we want to make sure that we do that. If all of that fits, then I hope to see you here the first week in April when we'll be introducing our brand new principal and really getting started on more details of our program. So with that, how about the application process? Okay, Ms. Liz.
Good evening, everyone. This is just so exciting to see this room filled. I just have to say quickly, something was handed to me tonight. I got it tucked away in our folder. I think it was a student has already submitted a design for the K-8 STEAM logo. So really, that to me is so exciting. We've gone through the process when we opened Skyline, and we had the students all work towards what their identity was, and so I personally am looking really forward to that. Jane and I are here to talk a little bit about the process. It's sort of a 3-tiered application process, and at the end of the evening, we are all going to be back at the tables back there, ready to help you out with this. Any student, first, we have the priority of enrollment here. Any student who lives within the Northside attendance area, and remember, next year we're going to be K-6, any student is eligible to enroll. Tonight, we are asking, tonight and over the next few days, we did send this out once, but we are asking you to fill out an interest form. This does not commit you to anything, but we are trying to gauge our numbers, and it would be really helpful if you live in the Northside attendance area and you are seriously considering this, we ask you if you could fill this out tonight. The second step will be for in-district transfers, and that means for families that live in the Ann Arbor Public School District, but not in the Northside attendance area. We have another form for that. And that is going to say in-district transfer on the front of it. And we will help you out with that as well. Again, this one is due by April 1st. All of these are going to be on the website starting first thing tomorrow morning. So you can do this tonight if you know, or you can go on the website and access them. We will also have them here, and we will send them to our other schools as well. Again, in-district transfer by April 1st for families that live in the Ann Arbor Public School District. And our third option, which we are involved in right now as well, is school of choice. So if you're here from outside of the Ann Arbor Public District, but inside Washtenaw County, we are in our school of choice process right now. We have a third form for you to fill out if you're interested in this program. That is how we will enroll this school, starting with those that live in the attendance area, then Ann Arbor Public School students that are within our district, and then outside of our district, but in the county. That is going to be the priority.
Just very quickly, it may seem like it's a short timeline for you to make this decision, but we really are trying to look at our staffing for next year, begin to figure out how many students will be here and how many teachers will we need here. So I think that's a part of what we're trying to do. And I encourage those of you that live within the attendance area here to let us know, because we will make those decisions as soon as we can. So, but you're always welcome to come back to Northside to be a part of this community. So thank you.
All right, so I think we're done with that. What we're going to